TikTok actually does recommend, I was in a session with them just a few days ago. They recommend when you go live that you have another device, if possible, with you, whether it's another phone. How do I A, know who has ordered? And B, how do you know how many add to carts there are?
Welcome to Brands Meet Creators, the channel where we help content creators grow and succeed and connect with brands. On our channel, you will find interviews with top creators and TikTok Shop affiliates, and you will learn tips and tutorials on how to grow and succeed as a content creator. Whether you're a new creator or you've been doing this a long time and you just want to learn more, I'm excited to have you here, so let's dive into today's video.
Today, we are going to do a Q&A. So I wanted to show you a little something. It's Q4, y'all. You know, I realize we're about maybe 8 weeks away. That might be an exaggeration. 7 weeks, 8 weeks away from Thanksgiving, which is Black Friday. Y'all know that. And that there's a lot going on there. But the sales on TikTok are going to keep on coming. So a couple things I want to just encourage you, like when you're going live and you're talking to people, something I start reminding people, and I'm pitching all of you. I'm like, please make sure you shop from a live host, because a live host, people might watch a video and they're like, oh, that looks really cool. But they have these questions that they are probably wondering, and they're hoping that you're going to respond to them in the DM or in the comments, but it doesn't always happen. Remember, when you go live, people are able to like imagine that they're touching it, that they're smelling it, that they're tasting it, that they are right there. They're hearing it. So remember that when you're doing your lives, okay? Encourage people. We don't know what inventories are going to be like. So if you see something you want, let them know you want to get it now. Put it in your cart now and go in and check out now. Remind them of that. That sense of urgency is going to be big. Tell them, do not wait till Black Friday, because don't expect that these deals will be here. If you keep an eye on inventory for your hero products, you can also speak to that. Like, for example, I've got one item that they haven't restocked it at all. I know that they have not restocked the dang thing. So I can tell them, listen, this has not been restocked. So if you want to grab it, don't be waiting for a color. Go ahead and grab yours. Okay. Sense of urgency is amazing. Okay. Now, the other thing I want you to remember, I wanted to just tell y'all how this works, is a lot of people are asking me, just from watching my lives or others, how do I A, know who has ordered? And B, how do you know how many carts, add to carts there are? I'm going to show you how to do that on the desktop. Now, listen, y'all, when I go live, and TikTok actually does recommend, I was in a session with them just a few days ago. They recommend when you go live that you have another device. I think that's pretty like, oh, you just think we need to have another device. Okay, TikTok. But they do recommend that you have another device, if possible, with you, whether it's another phone or it be a tablet or something, to view so you can see what everyone else is seeing. Please realize you cannot have TikTok live open on 2 accounts. So if I open up my account and I'm going live, Rox Talk Show, I can't open it up another phone or device and see the same thing. So just know that you're going to have another account that's going to be able to view it on the other device. Let me know if that makes sense. But what I did want to show you, live TikTok streamer desktop, y'all, these days when I go live, I have 3 screens open on my computer. It is probably a little bit of an overkill, but I want to know what's going on. Okay, so let me show you what I have. So in addition to having a phone with me, and at first I had an iPad, I didn't have a phone. When we started, I'm like, but we were at the store and it was like nothing to get a new phone. I'm like, okay, so now I have another phone line. But this is your live streamer dashboard. So whenever I'm about to go live, the first thing I do.
If you are a TikTok Shop affiliate and you want to maximize your earnings, we want to send you our free TikTok Shop newsletter. In the newsletter, you will get the latest tips, trending hooks, insider updates, all delivered straight to your inbox. And you can even unlock bonus commission on the hottest trending products. All you have to do is sign up using the link below.
So I just went live for a quick little bit right before this. I had like, I don't even know, not even an hour, but I went live, and this streamer dashboard, I'm not going to touch it right now because I don't want to mess up what you're seeing on the right-hand side. But if you see right here where I'm on the left-hand side, think of this as like 3 columns. This is, see where it says no products yet? I can add products by hovering over that plus sign, and then I can add a product to it. Or if you have exclusive stock, if someone gave you some flash sales stuff, that's where it'll be there too, okay? You can add all of your inventory, all the things. I'll show it to you in 1 second, but I'm afraid to touch this because if I touch it, it'll reset. When you are live, if you come over here to the right-hand side, so think the center where it says not available yet, when I'm live, I can actually see my video. If I go all the way to the right, you see where it says activity? Typically it defaults, see that little chat bubble, that comment bubble? It defaults to that comment bubble right there, okay? So it's gonna show you your comments. But if you click on this little person with those 2 kind of arrows, it will show you activity. It will default to the all, and all will show you everyone who's coming in, everyone who's gifted you, everyone who's followed you, everyone who's ordered, it's a little bit overwhelming. So I switched to orders. And so when I see somebody orders, when it shows like one user ordered on my screen, I can then go, Debbie Ann, you got a mug. And then I can say, Debbie Ann, let me know what color you got. I can see, oh, Shannon, you got a mug. And it will show me the live orders. So I can call the person and their name out. If he's like, what? Now there's another spot. Okay. I know it is super cool, right? This is where you can see your orders. You can literally see the people. I'll even say user 1038 or 103, whatever. Just so you know, the price wise, y'all, it shows the list price of something. Nothing is ever sold at list price on TikTok. So that 13.29, that mug is really like, it was like $9, I want to say. So if you're buying multiples, you're not always going to be able to tell. And sometimes it refreshes, but you are going to see the information. I can tell Ron's got multiples because default is just one, it's 13.29. I can see user got a couple orders, I can see their orders. Okay. Now there's another screen I go to. I go to this screen. Okay. This is what I call dark mode screen because it comes in dark mode. And this screen is your live console. You can view your live console like I'm viewing it right now, or you can view it. See where I hovered over advanced? There's a basic default mode. You can decide which way you like to see it. I like the advanced mode. I want all the data. I want all the information. When I'm live, the only thing I'm looking at, I don't even pay attention to, and y'all, I know a lot of people are like, oh, I don't pay attention to when TikTok tells me that there's a low traffic coming into my room. You've ever seen that? Low traffic, pin something else, because if I know it's my hero product, I know that's what I'm focusing on. And I'm like, I got this TikTok. Okay. But I want to show you this right here. Okay. So you can see I went live and I want you to see right down here where it says product and traffic conversion. If I tap on product clicks, I can see now the amount of people who've added. See that the box, what I was selling. And I only sold this for a quick moment. And I focused on the stirring automatic mugs. See that 68 right there? That tells me that 68 people put it in their carts. Okay. 68 people have in their carts, which means within the next 14 days, if any of those 68 people, I don't know how many they had in their cart, but if they close out, I get credit for it. And I can tell you, why do I use this number? I use this number because even if the numbers are low, like I said, I just popped on, I'm just testing out this product. So I popped on for a little bit, like, let me try this thing. I know if there's cart ads, I know it's resonating with people. Okay. 68 is a lot of cart ads. That's more than I sold. I sold 8. I'd love to sell those 68, and those will come through after. Okay. And some of them will, not all of them will, some of them will. 68, that feels pretty good. So that's how I know what I'm selling. Now, I didn't change the pin at all. So these were just other things, some things I just gotten in the mail today and I wanted to get out of, while I'll do things with them later. I just want them to get them out of my bailiwick. So if I have some samples they need to come, they're going to come. So I put them all in my cart. Okay. But I can see the cart ads right there. So if ever you're seeing someone say there's 68 people who added to cart or how many other people, that's where they're seeing it. Now I want to show you another thing. I'm going to come back over here. So I usually have this screen open. I have this screen open. And I guess I just have 2 screens open. My bad. 2 screens. But I'll show you how to get to that other screen in a moment. The other thing I want to show you is this, right? You're like, have I given it enough time? Do I know? So that's the key. And literally, y'all, like in home shopping, there's a producer for that. The host hosts, the producer produces. So one of the things that I recommend, and yeah, Shiv says some brands also have auto messaging set up for people who have things in their cart. Yeah, to help push it through. We love that, don't we? Like, hey, order that. Yep. Now, the other thing is this, because I look at my orders, I look at when someone ordered. These numbers are off, of course, as I said earlier, but I will look at that. So after I've been on for a certain period of time, if I've been on for like 30 minutes and no one has ordered, I know that I should probably be on for an hour, hour and a half. So I'll give it some time. But I'll tell you this, once it's rocking and rolling and I see some movement going, if someone hasn't purchased for 15 minutes, I announce I'm getting off. I say, okay, I don't even say why. I'm like, okay, y'all, time for me to go. So you can see you can see this motion right here. So I was on and it looks like someone didn't purchase for 20 minutes. So I left. Okay. So what I'll say, I do a 15-minute mark and y'all can play around with this, but I do want you to, your time is valuable. And I don't want you to just sit on a live just to sit on a live because you think, oh my gosh, and you don't know when to go. Even if it's rocking, things do slow down. So what I do is I use this orders because this time will change and let me know when the last purchase has happened. So what I've started doing is I literally will say, okay, at 15 minutes, I'm like, okay, y'all, this is my 5-minute warning. I've got to go. If someone purchases within those 5 minutes, then I reset my little clock. I'm like, all right, y'all. And then I'll be like, okay, I'm here for 15 more minutes. And I'll just internally do that. I'm not threatening anyone. I'm not saying I'm going to leave if you don't order, but I do that in my head. So I'm being really fastidious about my time. Okay. Then if it's still selling, I'm like, oh my gosh, I might say, okay, 10 minutes. Someone doesn't order in 10 minutes. I'm going to go. And I'll tell you on Saturday, that had me on for another freaking hour and a half. So, because it just kept happening. But at least I know that I'm not just getting into that rhythm and that lull. Okay. I want you to think about how long you're being live. And especially if you've been live for an hour and a half, start to ask if you have that time. If you're like, it was going to be a 30-minute live anyway, then Roxanne, that's fine. But if you're like, you're planning on being on live, I want, after a certain period of time, I want you to say, has anyone purchased? And if not, let's give them a countdown and then get off, because your time is valuable. And also sometimes you'll see some people are watching, they're going to keep it in their cart and they're going to close out when you leave because they want to sit there at the same time. Impressions on statistics, Julie, that's the amount of times people have seen the item. The impressions are like, so if someone saw it like over and over again, so let's say Roxy comes in and out of my room, that means the impressions are the amount of times she has seen it as has come in and seen it. All right. I hope that I will go over this multiple times. That might have been like a wild kind of moment, but let me also show you, just in case y'all were wondering, to find that. When you open up the link I gave you, the dashboard, see, I refreshed. That's why I came over here. You're going to head on over down on the left-hand side. This may be closed, but you're going to go to live stream analytics. That is where it lives. When you go to live stream analytics, okay, you're going to see, it will show you right here. If I was live, it would actually show me that I was live. And right here where it says details, it would say live. And when you click on that, when it's live, then it brings you over here. So that's why when I go live, I'm here, I start my items. I'm like, okay, I'm ready to go. Once I go live, I hit that live stream analytics link. I come here, hit on details. So it'll open up this screen. Then I'm moving my butt back over to the live dashboard, and I'm doing this while I'm talking. And, listen, we're doing all the things. And I come over here and I click on this little on the right hand column, that little person. And then I click to orders so I can see my orders. So it is doing 3 screens because I got to come back and do that so I can see everything. Don't feel like you have to look at all of this right now, but if you're starting to wonder, hey, how do I find XYZ? I need more information. Play around with it. Okay. Don't feel like you've got to have it down every time. There is a way to see some of that information, not all of it, but some of it on the computer. The only thing is, y'all, if you can see me right now, literally you're sitting there looking at it and you're like, and you're in people's faces because you're pressing the buttons trying to look for it. Okay. And that's annoying. So that's why I don't love to do that. Also, billboards, well, it went away, but you can change your billboards on your desktop. Mine went away yesterday. I don't know why. It was there, it was gone, it was there, but there's a way to change your billboards on your desktop as well too. Let me show you that really quickly because I feel like that's where it should be. Don't ask me why mine went away, but it's typically a button right here. See where so you see this is products. This is recommended script. This is giveaways. This is violations. But there's one here that it's a billboard. And when it's there, it's so great because you can change all your billboards and type them up on your computer, which is so much easier than typing them up on your phone. Mine went away yesterday. I don't know what I did. I don't know if I'm in trouble. I don't know the deal. But they're gone now. So there's that. It may reappear and come back. I actually turned off my computer and that's when it went away. So that was on me. All right. So remember, if anyone's sitting there going, how do I not know this? Y'all, there is no manual. I repeat, there is no manual. There are some hidden instruction manuals and certain nicks and crannies that some people get their hands on. But remember, TikTok is a video game and we each have a page and we all have to come together to share the pages to figure out what's going on. So don't feel like you're like, why didn't I know that? It's an interesting time on TikTok and algorithms are always changing. So keep going. You've got this.